Triple Turtle Tuesday. Oh, that didn't work out like I wanted it to. Combo pizza. The Foot Ninjas. Lord Dreg, Insect Invader. Flying, disappear at the beginning of your end step. If a permanent left the battlefield under your control this turn, create a 1/1 black insect warrior creature token with flying. Commander trash. Spicy oatmeal pizza. Lessons from life. Draw 3 cards. You may put a land from your hand onto the battlefield tapped. Raphael, most attitude. Menace, whenever another creature you control enters, exile top card of your library. Whenever Raphael attacks, until end of turn, you may play the exiled card with Raphael. Splinter's Technique. Search your library for a card, put it into your hand. Unblocked attacker. Dang. So you can cast this at instant speed then? If you're going to sneak it, you must be able to cast it at instant speed. That's crazy. That's pretty good. That might see some CDH play. Alright, 2 more. Uneasy Alliance. Return to the Sewers. Action News Crew. Tunnel Rats. The Mauser Mark III. Ice Cream Kitty. Shredder Unrelenting. The Neutrinos. I don't understand why it goes from uncommon to common. Metallic Mimic, I think. Well, I know Metallic Mimic is pretty popular. It's using a lot of decks, so this is probably a decent hit. This one's... I personally don't think this is the greatest card because it says each player may discard their hands, so people that have good hands are going to keep them, which is like one of the best benefits of the wheel, so personally unsure about that one. Okay, 1 more pack. Retro Mutation. Guac and Marshmallow Pizza. Bebop Warthog Warrior. Stockman. Mad Flyinist. Make your move. Footcam. Omni Cheese Pizza. New Generations Technique. Search your library for up to 2 basic lands. Put them onto the battlefield tapped with Sneak. It's decent. Good old Shreds. Michelangelo Game Master. The Common. This must be because they said a turtle in every pack. This must be one of the turtles they inserted in there, and that might be why it's getting the commons. I don't really know. Weathermaker. When a land you control enters, put charge counter on this artifact. Huh. If only it didn't have to tap. This could be so good in something like Lumra if it didn't have to tap. That's 3. So out of 3 packs. Got the Weathermaker. And like I said, this one looks pretty good. I just don't think the tapping makes a lot of sense. It could have... I mean, for all those landfall triggers you need to build up. Raphael's Technique. I think the Metallic Mimic's probably the best out of anything we got out of those packs. The Splinter's Technique too is pretty good. And the Footcam.